big companies, man. Once the owner, once the person who started that company died, then automatically that company is going to be collapsed. That company no more. Have you saw such type of companies? Multiple, right? Multiple. As long as that person is there, then only the business is going to run. If that person is not there, the business won't run. Won't run. After that generation, all the remaining people are followers only. Without main person, how the business is going to exist? There are multiple political parties are there. As long as a strong leader is there, that party exists. If the strong leader is not there, assume that the strong leader is not there. If the all the remaining people are followers, they are not thinkers kind of thing. They are not leaders kind of thing. Once that person gone, then automatically by default everything will be gone. Remember that by default everything will be gone. Do you know, if you want in the history, political parties especially, you can identify that. As long as that person is there, the cinema is well. If that person gone, then that party also gone. Do you have any such type of examples?
Yes, sir. Tamil Nadu, Jayalalitha.
Tamil Nadu Jayalalitha party. Now, do you know, there are some people who are going to provide support for the Vijay. There are some people who are against Vijay. Same party only. There are two groups because no character level leader who is a replacement for Jayalalitha. Everyone is the leader. Everyone became a leader now. So because these people created followers, not leaders, that is the bigger problem.